What's up YouTube, Skipper8091, and I wanted to show you guys my new car that I just got last week, Friday. So yeah. It's a Chrysler Sebring, 1998. It's my first car. My dog. Yeah, let's go inside. Hold on. Rocky Alright, so yeah, this is inside. Hold on. So yeah, this is my first car. My dad and my grandmother bought it for me. I like the inside. The back has a sunroof. Oh, and the speaker's nice. Hold on. It changes from front to back, and I could change the bass and stuff. So yeah, can't really see me. So yeah, that's my car. Talk to you guys later.